Adding or subtracting following functions. So we have here an adding function in the A because we have function g of x is x squared plus 4 and f of x is x minus 5. So find the g of x plus f of x. So we have an addition of the functions. So let me write here x squared plus 4 and this is the g of x function and f of x is x minus 5. Here is a plus x minus 5, x minus 5, and now let's write a g of x plus f of x because this is what we can do this operation. And let me write here g of x and plus f of x plus f of x. Okay, is equal. We are trying now to do this operation. Here I have a x squared, and now I'm looking, what do I have else? I'm looking for the x's. I have just one x. I write here a plus x, and I'm looking now for the constants. I have a plus 4 and minus 5 is minus 1. So we already did the addition of the functions. Now we are going here to subtract function because we have here g of x is x squared minus 2x, f of x is x minus 1, and says find g of x minus f of x. So here we have to do subtraction. But first of all, let's write a g of x. Here g of x is a x squared. Whenever we have to deal with the subtraction, we always write in parentheses because we have to distribute the minus sign. So just let me make sure I wrote here correctly. G of x is x squared minus 2x. So here is a minus sign. I write minus. I am opening parentheses. Instead of x f of x, I have a x minus 1. So x minus 1 is here. And here I will play some more steps. First of all, here I can write x squared minus 2x in the way how it is because I don't have a positive. Here is a positive sign. When it's a positive, I can distribute it the same way. So it's a minus 2x. And then what do I have else? Here I'm distributing negative sign inside the parentheses here, and it's going to be minus x. And here I have a negative times negative is a positive 1. So here I have. And now let me write the final result. So g of x minus f of x is, okay, f of x, and f of x is equal. So now I am doing those operations, addition and subtraction. Here I have x squared. So the first term is just x squared, so it's nothing else. So x squared, and I'm looking, I have minus 2x like terms. Minus 2x minus x is a minus 3x. So here is minus 3x. And now I'm looking for the numbers. I have just one number. I don't have any other number. So I will carry this plus 1 here. So here is the subtraction of the function g of x, f of x in this example is x squared minus 3x plus 1. And in the example A, as we saw before, the adding g of x plus f of x, we have x squared plus x minus 1.